This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Xpert oven. We'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with the main control panel, understanding each button's purpose. Then, I'll guide you through setting the clock and customizing essential initial settings. Finally, we'll cover the important first cleaning steps to prepare your brand new Xpert oven for its very first culinary adventure, ensuring it's ready for delicious meals. Now, let's dive into the core functions. We'll explore how to choose the perfect cooking mode, whether you're baking, roasting, or broiling to suit your recipe. I'll show you how to set precise temperatures, often within a range of 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your food cooks perfectly. Plus, we'll master the timer, a crucial tool for achieving accurate cooking durations every single time. Moving on, let's unlock some of the Xpert oven's more advanced capabilities. We'll discuss the convection setting, which uses a fan to circulate hot air, providing incredibly even heat distribution for faster, more consistent cooking. Next, I'll walk you through the self-cleaning cycle, a convenient feature that heats the oven to very high temperatures, typically around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, to burn away food residue. Remember to always follow safety guidelines. Finally, let's talk about keeping your Xpert oven in top condition for years to come. Regular cleaning is key to maintaining consistent performance and efficiency. We'll also cover how to interpret and address common error codes, helping you troubleshoot minor issues quickly. By following these simple care and maintenance tips, you can significantly extend your oven's lifespan, ensuring many more years of delicious meals and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.